the 16CS122, and this is my fourth experiment for the web lab. So as you can see, the mockup page I have opened over here. So these are the photos, a video, calendar, all these things. So let's move on to its code. So first, the HTML code for this. So in the HTML code, you can clearly see body tag in which I started my coding, and here I've given style sheet.css since I'm gonna use an external CSS in this. So in the and over here I've given the reference for the CSS that I'll be using style CSS for. So over here, first I created a division tag with header, images, and ID equals to images. Class header, first division, second ID equals to image. So this is what the tag is. This thing here, this top thing is done in that tag. Now after that, I've created a table. Now the table is for the navigation bar, basically. That's why I've given a tag nav. So here is the navigation bar. Now over here I've created another tag with the class name of content. Since the tags can be accessed by tag name, ID, or class name, you can give any class names. So class name image1, and in this I inserted my image, and I'll be inserting that using CSS. And another division tag for water, that will be the for this water, food, health, and energy. So for all this, the division tag is there: water, food, health, energy. Now all the classes are given in this because I'll be using them in the CSS tag to access and do some changes in that. And here is the footer tag. Basically another division, I've named it footer text, so it will be the text over here. And this is the span I've created at the footer with the tag name footer, arise and shine. Now this is the CSS code for the experiment 4. So as you can see, I've used the images ID over here, and I've given its width, height, position as relative, and margin, background URL row, that and all for this image. Now for the navigation bar, I have hover over here, which helped in this thing. So this is done, basically the color change is basically done with the help of hover, and I've given some borders, padding, and color for that navigation bar. And now I'm going to access class. So first I access header class. So my header class is the first class in which it's written 1 in a million VR is choice. So in this I've given height and position as fixed, and the background I've given as linear gradient. So it will be a gradient color. So as you can see over here, the color shift from dark green to white color, that is done with the help of linear gradient. Green to light green, the gradient from green to light green. Then I've selected same header but with h3, and I've given its float, position as relative, padding, color, font size, and all. Now here is the content class that I've accessed. The classes in CSS are accessed by the dot. So the content class is the class which is over here. So it has image1, image2, and image3 classes also. So in the content class, I've given its position, float, left, and height, width, and all. Image1, I've given same height, width, its position, and its background URL. So here is where I'm adding these images. And since the help of positioning and float, I can set the place where the image has to be displayed. So same for the image 2 and image 3. and here I've done image.hover, which is helping in this thing. So the image hovers whenever I bring my mouse cursor over there. And then we'll move on to text content. So the text content class is over where here. So vision to find solution and all. And so for this, the CSS will be nothing but the margin left and color red. Now for the water, food, health and energy, that is these things. Same here also the hover is used and the gradient is used for the colors. Here the green to white, here purple to blue, here red to white or energy, yellow to white. And since all of them are hovering, so we have used hover over here. Then I went to the last class, that is over here, foot trim. So for this class I've used in the CSS I've written position as relative and I've given the background color as black. So it's this one. And then I have the footer text and the footer trim. For this I've given the background colors as FCC. This is the code, and here the JPG for footer trim. That will be this image. Thank you.